Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to this live streaming of mine once again. And today, like every day, I'm gonna predict about the S&P 500, the Nasdaq 100 futures, the US Tech 100, gold, silver, crude, natural gas, and copper. Yes, I'm gonna predict about all these things, the indices as well as the commodities right now. And last but not the least, Bitcoin. Yes. So let me start with the S&P 500 today. It seems S&P 500 will test a level of 6820 today. 6820 today. So currently it is trading at 6851. Most likely it's gonna test that level of 6820 today. Nasdaq 100 futures can test a level of 25,169 and US Tech 100 can test a level of 25,880 today. Today, the 20th of January 2026. Crude oil has crossed $60. It's a positive day for the markets. I mean for the crude oil WTI. So now the thing is that, the markets have been falling today. The US Tech 100 has already, touched a low of 24,947 and it's gonna fall further today. That's what my astrological and numerological prediction is. So the next on my list is Bitcoin. You can buy Bitcoin at a level of 89,342. 89,342 is the level at which you can buy Bitcoin today. It can test that level today. So 89,342. Crude oil WTI, if you have to buy today, you can buy it at a level of 59.73. 59.73. Crude oil WTI. The US yields have been going up and it's going to go up further. Today, US 10-year yield bonds, it hit a high of 4.31, $4.31. So it's going to go up further. That's what's my prediction is. It can go up to a level of $4.44. Robinhood Markets is one stock which you should keep an eye out on. You should keep an eye out on Robinhood Markets. It can fall to a level of $80, $85 and when it falls, you should buy there for the long term. As we speak, US Tech 100 has already started falling. The Nasdaq 100 has already started falling. As I had told you in this video that it can test lower levels today. 25,169 it can test on Nasdaq 100 futures. Copper would be bearish today, and if you somewhere in the region of 5.71, if you get in the next few days 5.71, you should buy there copper, because my targets for copper are higher than $6.22. Silver. Silver is not doing much today, but it has been on a tear. Silver has been on a tear. Yes, it has been. And it's already touched a level of silver has already touched a level of $95.88. Yes, $95.88 it has touched today. So I think things are going to be bearish today, but there is no problem. There is no problem. There is no problem as such. After a 1 or 2 days correction, again the markets will go up. The Nasdaq 100 futures will go up. US Tech 100 futures will go up. US Tech 100 will go up. So my prediction is that, if you have to buy silver, in the next few days, it should be at a level of $91.20 and not before that. Don't make that error of buying before that. $91.20, not before that. You see, almost 90% of the people who predict about silver and gold have been wrong this time. They have been wrong. I mean the commodity experts. I'm talking about the commodity experts. They have been wrong. All their estimates have gone awry. Yes, they've gone. All the predictions have gone awry this time. So I don't know what's happening in silver, but I believe now the next target could be around $100 now. Yes, $100 is a possibility on silver. And gold, I wouldn't be surprised if it crosses 4844 in the coming few days or weeks. 4844. But you shouldn't buy silver before $91.20. Even if the silver and gold are on a tear, that doesn't mean you'll just buy it immediately. Wait for a correction. Don't make that mistake of buying now. Don't do that. It's gonna correct. I'm 100% certain it's gonna correct. So don't make that mistake. Don't make that mistake of buying right now. So yesterday was a US market holiday, and I couldn't meet you all yesterday, but today I have come up with my predictions regarding US Tech 100. Most likely S&P 500. This is just, I think, an aberration today. This is just a one-off. This is just a one-off today. I don't think so it's going to fall further. The markets, the US markets I'm talking about. So there is nothing to worry as such. So this is just an aberration, as I told you, and it's not going to this correction is not going to last too long. Probably today there will be some sort of testing of the levels which I have told you, and after that the markets should be in fine fettle after that. So try and buy it at my levels. And gold, if you have to buy, you shouldn't buy before 4664, not before 4664. You shouldn't buy gold before 4664. So that is what I wanted to tell you all today regarding the markets, the crude oil WTI. I'm bullish on crude oil WTI. I believe crude oil WTI is moving towards $64. Yes, it is moving towards $64. Not today, but in the next few weeks. $64 is where crude oil WTI can go in the coming few weeks. So that pretty much completes my predictions for today. I'll meet you tomorrow, God willing. Yes, God bless you all and have a great day and a good night. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.